Now I'm sure if you've wrenched for any amount of time, you remember your very first purchases. And here's my half-inch drive, and you can see that it's been beat on, used as a pry bar. Hey, I can't believe it's still holding up after 20 plus years. And the same goes for the wrench. It's been put as a cheater bar. Hey, I love my wrenches, but when it comes to updating or upgrading your sets, that's a whole new feeling. So let's look at Capri Tools here for the upgrade. And since I've had these sets here, hey, the rest of them go in a pile. Hey, when it comes down to it, this right here is an awesome three-piece set here. So what we're looking at is their 120 tooth ratchet wrench gear set, box and open. Now that's going to be your standard and your metric here. So what we're looking at is a 5/16 all the way up to a 6/8, not missing anything in between. And then you've got an 8mm, and it even includes a 9 and a 10mm, all the way up to a 19mm. Super nice foam enclosure. I love this set of tools right here, but this is a 120 tooth gear set. So very fine tooth gear set, but I love this wrench here. So when you look at their three-piece ratchet wrench sets, hey, this is my other go-to. So these usually go hand in hand here. So you can see that I'm actually mounting a set of motor mounts onto this P30 chassis, and then using the 3/8 drive with the 9/16, they just make a perfect combo. So when you get down to it, you can see the torque that you can put on that long reach, but then in addition to that, you've got the soft grip handle. Hey, you can really get the nice grip on that. So when it comes to this three-piece set here, so what we're looking at is the 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. And if we get them squared off on the inch mark here, we just pulled them off our rear mount here. But what we're looking at is 25 inches on the 1/2 inch. We're at 20 inches on the 3/8, and then a massive right at 13 inches on the 1/4 inch drive. So you're talking 25 inches of torque when it comes to getting that leverage on there. But then in addition to that, this has the standard on-off selector here, but this has a 9-position locking head. So what we're looking at is a range of 180 degrees forward and reverse, but again, that's a lock-in head. So once you press the button here, then you can unlock that head, and you can now slide it over to the opposite side of that position. So you can either reach up and over, or you can reverse it. So when it comes down to it, all jobs pretty much on the daily basis. When it comes to needing wrenches, these are my go-to sets here. And again, the standard and the metric are separate sets here, and then this three-piece comes in a single set. So if you want to find more, check the link down below with Capri Tools. Hey, you will not be disappointed in the quality that comes from this company, Capri Tools. Capri Tools for the win.